So many parliamentarians are asking why there will be a one World Health Protocol that will be initiated by those people, a member state na hindi naman po sila kilala, hindi naman sila elected. Wala nga tayo nagawa, hindi nga tayo nag-participate eh. Other countries participated, but us, hindi. Why we are trying to tell this, Yusek Tayag? Because we come out with different hardship nung ating mga mamamayan during the pandemic. Accept it or not, merong mga pamilya na nasaktan. And as a matter of fact, according sa PSA, 297,000 excess deaths. Unfortunately, those people who have died unknowingly, hindi natin alam. Tapos yung effects. And doon sa PSA that I've seen, even 2022 and 2023, yung excess deaths natin, mataas pa rin. Of course, we are being worried kasi yung mga namamatay so young and active, yung iba mga athlete pa, biglang natutumba. So, can you kindly tell us, kasi meron na naman namatay na PNP eh. Hindi ako naghihiring sa mga pulis eh. Sinasabi nila yung mga namamatay eh. Pag tuwing naghihiring kami, laging may report sa akin may namamatay. Baka maubusot tayo ng PNP yan.